Hi my dear students of class 2, this is your maths class. So in this class we are going to do a new chapter, that is multiplication. Okay, so let's start with repeated addition to multiplication. And I have already told you to learn multiplication table up to 15, right? So I want all the students to learn multiplication table up to 15. So here I have drawn pictures of apples, and I have divided them in 3 groups. Okay, 3 groups. Now let's do this. Let's understand this multiplication in repeated addition. Okay, repeated addition to multiplication. What you need to do is first count the number of equal groups. How many groups are there? Number of groups. Number of groups equals to 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? Next, then count the number of count the number of apples. Here it is mangoes, but I have drawn here apples. Okay? So count the number of apples in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. In second group also 4 apples, and third group also 1, 2, 3, 4. So now use repeated addition to find the number of mangoes. Now how do we find repeated addition? It's like 4 plus 4 plus 4. Number of apples in each group. In first group 4 apples are there. In the second group 4 apples are there. And the third group, again 4 apples are there. Now what you have to do, we have to find the number of apples together. Okay. Now in each group there are 4 apples. There are 3 groups. So let's find it. Or you can say equals to 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Right? Next, this is repeated addition of multiplication. Okay. Next, you can write or 3 groups. How many groups are there? 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 groups of 4 equals to 12. Or you can also write like this: 3 fours. 1, 2, 3 fours. 3 fours equals to 12. Okay. Now next, this is written as, in a thorough way, this is written as 3 into 4. 3 fours. 3 into, this is the multiplication sign. We have done with addition sign. We have done with subtraction sign. And this x, this is multiplication sign. So 3 into 4 is your 12. So these two are factors. And then next, this 12 is your product. This 12 is your product. Factors 3 and 4 are your factors. The answer which you get after multiplying is your product. Okay. So this is not very much important for you, to you all for now, but later on it will be required. So next, we read 3 into 4 equals to 12. So we can also write like this: 3 fours. 3 fours are 12. How you read? 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. Okay. Or it's like this: 3 times 4 is 12. There's many ways to read this. 3 fours are 12, or 3 times 4 is 12, or 3 multiplied 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Okay, this is how you read. 3 4s are 12. 3 times 4 is 12, or 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Right? So, vertically it is written as, this equation is written as 3 multiplied by 4. So 3 4s are 12. This is multiplication sign. Okay, 3 4s are 12. This is how you do multiplication. As I've already told you, you need to learn multiplication table up to 15. So I have already told you to learn multiplication table since beginning of the class, right? So please learn multiplication table by heart it. And this exercise 5a and 5a, this is very much easy. Just count, it's like same only, just count the number of groups. Okay, so let me do this first number. This is exercise 5a. 5a number 1. Okay, 5a number 1. First a number. First count the number of groups. Let us count 1 2 3 4 5. So number of groups 5, and number of apples in each group, one group. How many are there? Number of apple 1 2 3 4. Only in one group there are 4 apples. So write just 4. Very easy. So this 5 is total number of groups, and this 4 is number of apple in one group. So how much it will be? 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. This is how you are going to write in that blank area, this side. This B also same, C also same, D also, E also same. So just do it by yourself. And number 2, let me do first number. Number 2 is also very easy. Write the multiplication form of each of the following repeated addition. So in number 1 it is given 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now there is a blank, right? So how you are going to do? First, now count the number of 2's. 1 2 3 4. So 4 2's are there. So 4, 1 2 3 4 groups, and which number is there? 2. Easy. 4 2 equals to. This 4 is number of 2's here, and those 2, this one, each group 2 is there. In each group 2 is there. So 4 into 2 is 8. If you add this, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8. You will get the answer, which is very easy. And the remaining B, C, D is also are also easy. Just see number D, 0 plus 0. Sorry, it's not. Okay, so 0 plus 0. How many zeros are there? 2. 0 plus 0, because 2 zeros are there, no? So just write 2, multiplication sign, and which number is there? 0 is there, just write 0. Equals to 2 means 2 number of zeros, and 0 number. 0 number is there. So 2 zeros is 0. There is properties of multiplication in page number 79. Property of 0. any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is always 0. So just do this in your copy, and the remaining exercise we will do it later on. So practice this. The only thing I just want to say is learn multiplication table properly. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you so much.